Oh. Do you want to go by the window?
I want to go by the window.
Smile for Mummy. Come on then. There we go. Oh.
Closing.
Doors are closing, Ask. If you put it down there, you'll lose it.
Doors closing.
You're not even doing a video? Are you?
Please hold on. We are about to depart for Birmingham Airport.
We are departing.
Yes, look.
So we're going back to the NEC?
No, we know we're going to the airport.
But you just said we're departing from the airport.
Yeah. Look.
This is fun.
There's your video. It's good. Stand there and go back if you want.
What if it tipped?
Why would it tip?
What if it tipped?
Yeah, it tipped in The Simpsons. Do you remember that one?
Don't scare me.
La 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 la. This is fast, isn't it, Ash? Is it good? You enjoying it now?
Yeah.
Look, there's another train coming there, Ask. Look.
Did we take that train?
Yep, probably, yeah. Yeah, they don't change tracks.
Are you sure?
Hello world.
That's the NCP.
Ask, are you getting off and going to the airport, or do you want to never go in the train?
We are stopping.
I want to get off.
What? You want to get off?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get off now.
No.
You are arriving at Birmingham Airport departures level. Check-in is located on the ground floor.
Wow.
Lifts are available.
Come on then. I think we need to get off, Danny. Wow. How many potatoes are in there? 2 potatoes. No, we haven't got any change now. It's... Wow, what's in here? Oh, Ted! That's Ted.
Please can we try?
Look, Ted.
You should have some.
Eeyore. Minnie.
You're never going to get one of those.
What? It's a funny hockey game, isn't it?
No.
Should Daddy carry on going?
No.
Where are we going to go now? You want to go?